So now let's look at some basic terminologies which we need to understand to go further in the cybersecurity world. First and foremost, network. What is a network? Network is nothing but a group of interconnected devices. Could be servers, could be workstations, could be laptops, could be any devices, file printers and whatnot to be interconnected with each other. As you can see in the diagram, it is used for communications. It's primarily used for data transmissions and to communicate between various terminals so that the business can go on. It is also used to share data and information. It could be wired or wireless. So you got a wired LAN, or at home we all have wireless networks where we connect all our devices. We use them for streaming videos. We use them to connect to the internet, surf websites, work from home. So we've got office also set up on our Wi-Fi. So a network is nothing but a collection of interconnected devices that are allowed to communicate each other freely so that the business can be continued in a proper manner. Server. A server is nothing but a hardware device that is supposed to handle requests of data information, allow network services to function from other computers and devices. So this is where we build a client-server relationship, where on the server we've got the major software, we got the data that is stored over there, and clients that interact with the server to consume that data in a particular manner that would help them make sense and analyze that data and generate business out of them. Then the internet. Internet is nothing but the collection of multiple networks globally. So all the networks that we have across the globe, when they are interconnected with each other, that is what internet is. And if we just go back and we talk about servers, this is what allows the internet to be formed. So every organizations, when they publish their servers on the internet and they allow everyone to interconnect through those servers, that is where the internet comes in, being the servers being the backbone of the internet. Obviously, for the servers to communicate with each other, we will need switches, routers, and other devices for the data transmissions to happen. So these are the multiple networks, could be individual networks, interconnected together would form the internet across the globe. For the internet to work, there would be a set of protocols for transmissions to be allowed across the globe. Now, this is where TCP/IP, or the Transmission Control Protocol over Internet Protocol, comes into the picture. So if you remember, we use communication channels like TCP, or the Transmission Control Protocol, and UDP, User Datagram Protocol. When we connect to web servers, we talk about the HTTP protocol and HTTPS protocol if we want it secure. Then we'll talk about IMAP, POP3, and all of these protocols. Now, where do these protocols come from? It is nothing but a suite of the TCP/IP software which contains all of these protocols which allow computers to communicate with each other. If TCP/IP wouldn't have been there, our network would have collapsed.